Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. And here we have the BMW 320i on a 70 plate, as you can see. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside, you can see it's a four-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot area of the vehicle first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space as well. You can increase this space further by folding down any of those three rear seats, should you wish to. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car. And then, as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle, firstly, you can see the alloy wheels are all in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the entire way around the vehicle. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the fuel gauge. We then have the speedometer, a digital readout for the speedometer as well. Over on the right-hand side, we've got the rev counter, the coolant temperature gauge, and the main trip computer, which includes the total miles for this car. They are 33,575. If we back out to the steering wheel next, we've got our cruise control, speed limiter, phone and stereo controls, the plus and minus paddle, so you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox, should you wish to do so. Into the center, we then have the main screen for the car, which, as you can see, includes a full color reversing camera. So the screen itself is touchscreen. You don't have to use the touchscreen, so you can see the movement I'm making currently on the screen. For example, I'm doing that using the iDrive system, which is essentially this dial. The buttons that surround it will take you into certain menus, but otherwise everything can be done from the dial, or of course with the touchscreen, where you can see we have satellite navigation. Really nice, easy system to use. We can pair up our phone from on here. Once we've done so, we can stream our music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio. We can screen mirror certain BMW friendly apps up onto the screen. We of course have the radio as well. This car's got FM and AM radio available on it. Your satellite navigation is there, your car menu, so various different settings, vehicle settings for example, and then Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, both available as well. Working our way down from that, we have dual zone climate control. You can adjust the passenger and driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. You can determine where you'd like the air distributed independently for both driver and passenger. When you're happy with those settings, you can turn your air conditioning on and off. If you wish to, you can hit auto. The car will now take full control for you, which you can see and hear it doing to maintain those temperatures. You can override that by pressing auto again. Beneath that, we've got some physical controls for preset radio stations. For example, we can skip tracks here. We've got the volume for the stereo as well. This whole section will open up to reveal two cup holders, USB input, a 12-volt charging socket, and some storage back here. The gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. We can turn the traction control on and off, the parking sensors on and off. We can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic, which in turn will save you fuel. We start and stop the engine from here, and we can change the driving setup of the car as well. And then lastly, we have an electronic handbrake. Last thing I wanted to run through is the paperwork we have for the car. So in the envelope is the spare key, so 2 keys in total. We have the V5 registration document as well. The service record on BMWs is all digital, so available on the screen of the car itself. This is a printout from that, showing the most recent services in 22, 23 and 2024. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.